Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and this is an incredible computerized embroidery machine. This is such a fun device, and I've had so much fun learning more about it and experimenting with some of my very own embroidery. Now, let me start off by saying I have always wanted to learn to sew, learn to embroider, and learn all of these things. However, I just haven't quite had the time. So I'm a complete newbie, but I can tell you as far as setting this up, threading it, and starting on my first project, it was probably a 30-minute process. It was very, very easy and intuitive, and don't worry, they have your back the entire time. You've got a nice operation guide right here, but inside the operation guide, you're going to find a QR code with tons of videos and more resources from the company and on their website and everything that really walks you through absolutely everything. So whether you're a beginner or whether you are wanting to learn more of those advanced tricks, they've got you covered and they make it so simple and easy. So this is a beautiful tabletop machine and it is great for projects of all sizes. You're gonna notice you can do smaller embroidery designs all the way up to larger, like we're thinking full t-shirts, stuff like that, really big stuff, maybe towels, whatever it might be. You've got a larger, and of course you've got smaller for maybe your initials. Again, this is going to be perfect for beginners, for more people that are more advanced, and it can be great for just your own personal recreational use. It's a super fun hobby. And of course, you can use this for a small business. It works quickly, rapidly, and it gives you a ton of control over just about everything. This is, of course, computerized. So what does that mean? That means we've got a beautiful touch screen on the side right here where you're going to be able to walk through and choose all of your different settings and options. Of course, there are different language options. It supports languages for use all over the globe. It also has settings where you're going to be able to have all of these pre-loaded beautiful designs. So if you just want to start right there, click your favorite design and get to embroidering, you're good to go. And from those designs, you're able to choose things like your color and your size and tweak them right here on the machine itself. You also have pre-loaded fonts. So some of your favorite fonts, if you want to go for something more fun, something more elegant, maybe something more appropriate for children, they've got a little bit of everything all right there. So you can have some really nice fonts if you're doing those initials, if you're spelling names, if you are monogramming a backpack, that type of thing. You've got all of those right there for you. Really cool stuff. Plus, of course, you have the option of uploading your own designs right to the device and choosing them. So whether you are getting really creative with it or you just want something, press the easy button, choose, a pretty flower or a heart and some initials, you've got it all covered right here. This does support, of course, multiple colors, and you can really get fancy with it. And of course, it comes with tons of different accessories. So this is kind of a big bundle package if you think about it like that. You don't have to buy a bunch of different things, a bunch of different accessories, a lot of different tools. This is going to come with absolutely everything you need, not only to get started, but to keep going, experiment with different colors, experiment with different projects, and really have this machine grow with you. Another great thing that I love about this is that it does really find exactly where it's supposed to be. It will auto reset again because it is computerized, so you're not having to do that manually. This will find exactly where it's supposed to be on the plot and make sure your designs are perfectly centered and exactly how they are supposed to be, and make sure that they come out perfect every single time. This is a super fun hobby. It is a super great thing to add to your sewing room, to your craft room, or maybe a service to add to your small business. I absolutely love this company. Again, they really hook you up with all the accessories, the various sizes, the preloaded fonts, and designs already right there on the machine that makes it so easy. Plus, you have easy, clear guidance and instruction and instructional videos to help you out every step of the way. I absolutely love this one. I've had so much fun getting started with this, and I hope that this is a hobby that I will really grow with. And pretty soon, everything I own is going to be monogrammed, I have a feeling. You guys know what you're getting for Christmas next year for sure. Personalized gifts for everyone. I absolutely love this one. I know that you guys are going to love it as well. I'm going to leave all of the information and the links for you in the description below, so you can go ahead and check those out and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.